Hey guys, welcome back. So today let's talk about the 10 highest paying affiliate programs in 2026. So are you looking for affiliate program that actually pay high commissions in 2026? So in this video, I'll share 10 affiliate programs that can pay anywhere from small commissions all the way to 100 plus per sale. And make sure to stay until the end because I will also share the 2 affiliate platforms I personally use that have generated some of my highest commissions. So if trying to make money online with affiliate marketing, choosing the right affiliate program matters a lot. Now, just to be clear, affiliate marketing is not instant money. The real key is choosing the right affiliate platform that is proven to actually pay you. Because in affiliate marketing, cash flow matters. The commissions earned can be reinvested into advertising, testing campaigns, scaling winning ads, and growing the business faster. That's why choosing affiliate programs with reliable payouts and strong commission is very important. So here's the top 10 affiliate programs that you can start in 2026. So starting with one of the easiest affiliate program is Amazon Associates. This is friendly beginner because people always trust Amazon, but the downside, lower commissions, usually around 1 to 10% depending on the category. But conversions can be easier because buyers already know the platform. And number 9 is Digistore24. This platform is very popular in health, finance, self-help, and online business. Some products can pay decent commissions, especially digital products. Average commissions on Digistore24 can vary a lot depending on the product and niche. So many offers pay around 30% to 50% commission. And number 8 is Shopify Affiliate Program. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce affiliate program. This works great for audiences interested in dropshipping, e-commerce, online stores. Commissions can range from around $25 to over $100 plus per referral, depending on the country of the merchant referred. And number 7 is MaxWeb. MaxWeb is a CPA affiliate network. CPA means you can get paid for specific actions like leads, trial sign-up, customer actions. For MaxWeb, payouts can vary a lot depending on the offer type and niche. Like for example, pay-per-lead CPL offers often pay around $2 to $20 per lead. Higher quality lead like finance, insurance, health, trial offer can pay about $30 to $100 per lead or per customer. And number 6 is travel payouts. So this is great for travel bloggers, YouTubers, or travel website. For example, on my travel website called Travel with Jang, I place travel banners and affiliate links from Agoda, flights, or travel activities. So when someone book a hotel through those affiliate links, commissions can be earned automatically. Now, the commission depends on the booking platform and hotel value, but on average, hotel bookings usually pay around 4% to 6% commission. For example, if someone books a $500 hotel stay, a typical commission could be around $20 to $30 plus from just one booking. So this works really well for travel blogs, destination guides, or hotel accommodation content. And number 5 is System.io. This platform is becoming very popular for beginners. It combines funnels, email marketing, automation, and course hosting. On average, System.io pays around 50% to 60% lifetime recurring commissions. So for example, if someone signs up for a $27 per month or $47 per month plan through your affiliate link, you can continue earning monthly commissions as long as the customers stays subscribed. And number 4 is CPA networks. CPA means cost per action. This means affiliates can get paid when someone completes an action like submitting an email, filing out a form, installing an app, starting a trial, or becoming a customer. Now, the payout depends heavily on the niche and the offer type. But on average, simple email submit offers may pay around $1 to $10 per lead. But some popular CPA networks include Max Bounty, CPA Grip, OG Ads, and MaxWeb. And number 3 is Click Dealer. So this network is more focused on CPA marketing, paid traffic, lead generation, e-commerce, health, and beauty offers. Now, the payout depends on the niche and offer type. But on average, dating and email submit offers can pay around $2 to $15 per lead, while e-commerce and health offers often pay around $25 to $150 CPA. And finance and insurance offers can sometimes pay $20 to $150 plus per lead. Experienced affiliates like Click Dealer is because there are many high-paying CPA offers, strong tracking tools, and opportunities to scale paid ads campaign. Now, out of all the affiliate programs mentioned, there are 2 affiliate platforms that I personally use the most when it comes to affiliate marketing. And the reason is simple: proven affiliate offers, high commissions, reliable payouts, and strong conversion potential. Because at the end of the day, affiliate marketing is all about managing cash flow effectively. If an affiliate platform pays well and pays on time, that allows profits to be reinvested into more ads, more testing, and more scaling. And personally, the 2 platforms that I use the most are Buy Goods. So Buy Goods has many high-ticket offers, especially in health, wellness, and weight loss. Some products can pay $100 to $150 plus per sale. And finally, Clickbank. I normally focus on promoting weight loss product and health-related products because many of these offers can generate 100 plus commission per sale. And when finding a winning product with a strong hook and the right audience, that's where affiliate marketing can really start scaling. This is still one of the best affiliate marketing platforms for beginners. So why many affiliates love Clickbank? It's because of high commissions, beginner-friendly approval, huge product selection, and strong health and digital niches. So some products can pay 100 to 200 plus per sale. And yes, this is personally one of my favorite affiliate platforms. Here's the thing: the affiliate program itself is not the magic. What really matters is to have a cash flow, the marketing, the audience targeting, the right platform, the hook, and the traffic strategy. Even the best affiliate program won't work without the right system. So if starting out, don't try promoting everything at once. Focus on one niche, one audience, one traffic source. That's how momentum starts building. And if you want to learn more on how to use Clickbank affiliate marketing step by step, then I have this new course here in Udemy called Online Business Clickbank Passive Income First Sale Guide. So this is a beginner-friendly online business passive income Clickbank course to get your first sale without confusion and overwhelm, without creating your product, without email list, or without blogging. So here, as you can see, this is a brand new course, and my goal here is to generate at least 50 students. So here, I provided you a free sneak peek. So you can just go here and click preview. So you can see some free preview here of what is this online business Clickbank passive income first sale guide. So you can watch this video. Are you struggling to make passive income in Clickbank? Okay, and here, so you can have an option here. You can get this course for free when you subscribe today. So you can get start subscription here, or if you want, you can also buy this individual course here. Inside, it covers how to choose profitable products, how to create simple funnels, how to drive traffic using Facebook ads, and how to get the first sale without confusion and overwhelm. So there's no need for you to create your own product, no blogging, and no email list. So check the link in the description below and hope to see you inside. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my affiliate marketing videos. Clickbank Made Easy will give you the key to generating passive income online so you can travel and spend quality time with your family.